Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And then you got a little place where they sell shrines and for the temple that's straight ahead. Okay. But yeah, this is Pastor Lane. If he does, I'll give him something. Okay, so this is Pastor Lane, and I'll kind of show you this maze of everything. Some interesting buildings, and it's actually kind of leads over that way towards the temple. It also kind of goes into that space there, and we also have these kind of older buildings, so I think we're gonna just kind of come by real quick, just kind of show off some of the buildings. It's 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So it goes all the way down. I think it goes all the way around. So we'll just kind of highlight it. I don't know if we can go around or not, but we're gonna try. So this Pastor Lane is connects to two different neighborhoods. Let me just see where it goes here. Okay, great. So actually this actually goes down this way. So that means I'm gonna go in a complete circle. I wasn't really sure. So we have some park benches in here, and it might even change names. I don't know, we'll see in a second. We got some restaurants. Is this still Pastor? Yeah. So this is actually Pastor Travessa de Pastor as well. So let's kind of navigate. Now we're out on a main street here. And this street right here, there's actually St. John's School right there, English section. It says across the street, there's like a kind of a temple looking thing. Okay, so we're gonna just follow this main street right here. It's a bus stop. Check out this place called Pizza King. Then we're gonna come back this way, and we got actually I think we got glass on top of this whole space up here, so we'll check that out in a second. Then what we're gonna do is walk around the corner, and that'll all be part of Pastor. But for whatever reason, there's like glass right up here. That's not so common in Macau. Usually I'll see that in Latin America. And then you got a little place where they sell shrines and for the temple that's straight ahead. Okay. So this is all part of Pastor Lane as well. So I think I'm gonna just keep on moving into here. And this Pastor Lane is marked with a temple, so we're going to keep on walking until we get to the other space with the temple as well. So we started right over there, right between these two buildings, and we kind of went like that, and we went around like this, and then we came up here, and now we're going to go this way, and then over that way, and then that way. So it's kind of a labyrinth, and actually there's actually two lanes in here. So we have Pastor Lane and we also have kind of alley. So that's the other one we got. That's a kind of a cool rooftop. Kind of cool, but it's also the rooftop is nothing on it. So this kind of continues down this way. That's Macau Street. And then we're gonna come back. So as you can see, we're still on Pastor Lane. So we're still in Travessa de Pastor. Right there. And we're gonna continue down towards the temple. So yeah, there's a little balcony right there with a fence. The fence seems funny. Maybe they put a dog up there or something in the past. And now we're gonna walk through this little space. Yeah, this is kind of cool. And I believe we're still on, yeah, we're still on Pastor Lane, so this whole space is all Pastor Lane. They have a restaurant out here often. That's our Pastor Lane. Then we got a temple right here as well. So the Pastor Lane basically is, it starts out over there on the other side of this building. It kind of navigates through the space and it comes out over here. And then it's not too far from this temple, so we're just going to walk towards this temple. This one. And you also have some nice, amazing trees too. And right here, usually these people will hang out. We'll see if he's looking for some money. But yeah, this is Pastor Lane. If he does, I'll give him something. I haven't been in here in quite a while. We're not going to spend too much time in here. Unless you make a request. This used to have a bunch of Buddhas all the way around, like little spiritual figures. They're not there now. I used to live near here, so I used to come here often, every few months, and that was about when I first moved here. Was 11 years ago when I first moved to Macau. Okay. So, okay, so that's temple. And right on the other side of us was the Pastor Lane. And on that note, we're going to be ending our video. And now you got another idea of another slice of Macau that you might not have known about before. That restaurant's very busy in the evenings right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Yeah.